Hey family, welcome back to Jamaica Walk By, and today we have an exciting video for you. Today we are at Konoko Falls. Finally, I've always wanted to come here, but it has never worked out, and I decided that this weekend it is a must that I visit this place. I've been seeing pictures online and I've been seeing some videos. However, I really wanted to come here as well to do a video for you guys, an ongoing video to show you exactly what the layout of the property looks like. I've been seeing videos that are cut up that really give me a full feel and a full view, a mental view of what the place looks like. So today we are going to show you exactly what the place looks like. We're not going to cut up the video. So if I slide and drop, you're going to see it. So what you see is what you get today. What we know so far is that they have a botanical garden. They have a lot of vegetation here. They also have a lot of animals. They have fish. They have a lot of species of birds. That's what we know so far because it's our first time here. So basically you're seeing the place the first time with us. Alright, so upon coming up the hill, you're gonna pass, it's two entrances. So for the first entrance, you're gonna pass the first entrance and come to the second entrance. The second entrance is actually where you come to purchase the ticket. So based on what we were told so far is that the first entrance is the secondary parking lot. So whenever this parking lot is full, they will divert persons to there. So as you know, we have to observe COVID protocols. I'm gonna have to put on my mask now. So walking in, as you can see, the place is well kept. Although there is like a lot of vegetation around, you can see that they really maintain the property. I hardly see any leaves or anything on the ground. The first thing that caught us here was the cleanliness. As for the fee, it is $1,500 for adults. Anthony is 7 and we paid $1,000 for her, which is reasonable because you know they have to maintain the property and so forth, and they provide bathroom facilities for us and you know parking and all of that. So I am not mad at the cost. It's not that bad to me for a place like this. So we are entering into the parking lot area, which can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 13 vehicles can hold in this parking lot. Right at the security post there is where you purchase the ticket. So sorry I forgot to say, but right there is where you purchase the ticket. So if it is at this parking lot is full, then you would come here, purchase the ticket, and then you would head back to the other entrance that is below this one. So going around the property, you will realize that for some of the species of plants, they will put signs there telling the name of the plant and also the scientific name of the plant. So going in, and the property is pretty huge to what we see so far, so we just decided to walk with our things. For here, I would recommend that if you have water shoes, you wear those. Makes it a little bit easier to walk around. So this bridge is built over a river per se. Very nice. So this section is really sightseeing because there's nowhere here for you to sit or anything. There's a step there that takes you down into the river area, so I would assume that you're allowed to go down inside there. I appreciate the cleanliness of this place, to be honest. In the water, the most we see is leaves, not even a sweetie paper, not even nothing, no form of garbage any at all. That is very commendable. So as I said before, some instances you're gonna see signs telling some of the species of the plants. So this is the Mao tree, and you see the scientific name there. I'm not going to try to call it, but you're gonna see a few of those. I don't really have much knowledge about plants and vegetation, and unfortunately we don't have a tour guide. We have big bins here. A nice little seating area here. If you want and sit and relax here, you can probably sit and take some photos here. Rest your feet. They also have a hand washing station here. Not in operation now. Probably they turn off the main, not sure, but I guess with the onset of COVID they had put it there initially. And other COVID-19 protocols are being observed in terms of the signage. So they're reminding you to wear your face mask at all times. And for your safety, they're also reminding you to watch your step, because wet and slippery, especially where you have like algal growth on the ground, it can be slippery. So as I said, I recommend that you wear like your water shoes. I have on Crocs and it's working very fine for me. Fabian hates them, but these are the national shoes of comfort. More garbage receptacle there. And the river continues by this side, and this is a sign that shows us that this is a red ginger. First time hearing about that. And then there's a sign now telling us that we are approaching Jamaica Corner. So now we are entering the area now where there is the museum, and there are also some birds and a fish pond. I have a little garden over here showing some plants that we are familiar with, and also telling some history and importance of them. Aloe vera, leaf of life, spirit weed, dandelion, cannabis, sativa or ganja, and fever grass. This is the fish pond. The fish pond here, where they have a lot of species of fish. Don't really have much knowledge about fish either, but we can see that they put some strings at the top when we inquired, or to prevent predators from like birds eating the fish. Right. Very beautiful and colorful. Okay, so right here on this sign, they're actually telling us the species of fish that is in the pond. It's actually one species of fish, but different varieties. So it's a koi fish, and they're giving some history behind it, how they breed, predators, and feeding. So watch your step. And then now, once you reach right here, and you go to your left, this would now take you to there's a garden cottage here. And then here, I think should take you to the other parking lot. And there's another fish pond over here with the same species of fish. Okay, so here is actually the same parking lot. Going to look at the cottage, the garden cottage. Here is a dead end because you see a no entry sign down there. So basically the only thing that's here to see is the garden cottage. I'm not sure if we have access to it. I'm not sure what's inside, if it's for staff or not sure because we didn't get a tour guide, as I said. So here is basically a dead end. Alright, so we're gonna go back over now to where they house the birds. Tons and tons of birds over there. Let's just walk this way. Just beautiful. So there's a sign here that says feeding not allowed due to COVID-19 restrictions. So I assume that prior to COVID-19, they usually allow staff to feed the birds. But that is no longer the case. More birds over there. So I guess normally they would provide a hand washing station there to wash your hands and feed the birds, but it doesn't seem like they allow that anymore. And here it's telling us the species of bird, which is the budgie, the diet, breeding, feeding, and their known predators. So that's one species, just different variety of the same species. Passing where the budgies are is just a staff area. Then this building now is the museum. So due to COVID-19 again, they only allow up to 10 persons inside of the museum. And this is a small space. So inside of the museum here, basically, they are showing us the native items. I don't know the map. I think this is real enough. So there's a whole lot of historic items and information about Ocho Rios, St. Anne, and also Jamaica in general. Over here, they have a cassava grinder on the wall there. There's a map of St. Anne showing correspondence and towns where you can find the beaches, the quarry zones, all of the zones are here. Sustainable water, there's a whole lot of information in here. So persons who are really interested in the history of St. Anne and Jamaica on a whole, they have a whole lot of stuff in here. Endemic birds of Jamaica with pictures and information. Jamaica's natural history. Other animals such as the john crow blow nose, tiny lobster, pawpaw butterfly. In here, a whole lot of stuff. Here, right here, there have a lot of information about Port Royal. A lot of history about Port Royal being the wickedest city in the world. Sir Henry Morgan, the earthquake that hit Port Royal. They also have some wine bottles, coins, and a lot of these are really from our colonizers like the English and so forth. Right here seems to be dedicated to our most honorable heroes, our national heroes. A lot of history about them. And here, a little bit more about St. Anne now, talking about Shaw Park, Ocho Rios Marine Park. Around here, Plantation Society. And here, it seems like about our building and construction history, because it's talking about material that we have used over the years for construction, like bamboo, bullet wood, mahogany, blue mahoe, cedar, pine, and then martin, wooden structures. All of these things, very nice. Over here, dedicated to the Maroons. And right here, they have some collections of cutlery of utensils from Port Royal, rum dispensers, spoons. And in here, speaks to the destruction of the Arawak society and culture. Colonization, it seems that it speaks about Columbus there. Yeah, the Arawak, stuff like that. And over here now it also have some more in-depth history about Ocho Rios. So honestly, anybody who has any project or such to do and need some Jamaican history, this is a stone marker, Arawak, necessary for slabs of rock that were carved and used to grind corn, meat, or vegetables. Okay. Alright. And then over here now is also dedicated to St. Anne, famous sons of St. Anne like Marcus Garvey and Bob Marley. So a whole lot of useful information. And to the right of the museum, you have the restroom. Alright, so once you make your way outside of the museum, you have the restrooms there. I see a sign for a gift shop. It's not open right now, but a gift shop should be here, and also a first aid station. And the rain is coming. Over here, we also have some more birds, larger birds now, the parrots. Large and beautiful. So this is the leaving the section now with the birds. Birds. Did you just say birds? I think this ramp takes you to where the staff area upstairs. Then we're gonna try to make our way quickly. And just a reminder, they don't allow any outside food or drink. So anything you want, you have to purchase here. So now we're making our way to the other parking lot. So this was the one that I was talking about. So if the other one is full, usually they would recommend that you park here, but you'd have to purchase your tickets at the other one. More animals on this side. And this takes us to the bar and grill and to the mini zoo. No birds in here. What's it now? Hi! I'm scared of him. You want to touch him? Anthony? No. No. Anthony. I don't fool with them. Right. Nice. Thank you. More birds here. More names of the species. Bald-pate dove. parrots. The rain is coming, so we're trying to speed up a little bit. Barn owl, think of all the turtles or tortoise. And this is the restaurant area. Whee. More restrooms. And on the menu today, there's jerk chicken, hot dog, barbecue wings, and jerk pork. Their prices. Okay. You're hungry? Not hungry yet? You're not hungry yet? Morning. I guess a sitting area. Why? No, I saw it here. Come, pushing your foot in your slippers and walk properly and about to drop. Hold on, can you see? Oh my God. Hold on to the side. Or hold on to my side. So we're going down to the falls. Hold on, Anthony. I think you should walk in front of me. Go. So all the swimmers and non-swimmers, this is where it's at. A whole lot of stairs. Oh Lord. Yeah. Here's that road. I would recommend somebody, if you're coming here, you're hungry, just buy something and come down, because to leave, to go all the way up there to get food and to come back. Morning. So this is where it's at. Whew. So you see, imagine they usually have a little bar or food area here too. Morning. I also assume that the changing rooms are up there. Thank you. Hi. Oh. Very nice. That's ours over there. So I have not seen anyone climbing the falls. Did anyone see a sign that says climb falls at your own risk? So I wouldn't recommend any experienced persons or persons who don't have on proper shoes and gears to climb it. I think there are other ways that you can enjoy here. Ay, 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 ay. Good morning. Yeah. Well, that's it. That's Konoko Falls from start to finish. I hope this video helps someone who has always wanted to come to Konoko Falls. I think it is worth it. We haven't tried the food yet, but we're gonna go ahead and try it, and we'll probably leave some feedback in the comment section. We'll also post some photographs on our community. For those of you who have never heard about Konoko Falls, you can Google it, do your research, and I think it is worth it. They have a lot of space down at the bottom here for families, you know, a little family trip. You can go ahead and plan your vacation to here. For disabled persons, it would be very difficult to access the falls down here because I don't see any way that you know, somebody who has any challenges walking or so forth to make their way down here. So I guess the upper area where they have the animals and the birds would be ideal for them. But that's it. We're gonna see if we can enjoy ourselves a little bit here. Thank you as always for joining in, for subscribing, for commenting, just for making our channel what it is today. And for those who haven't subscribed as yet, just go ahead and do so that we can continue to give you the best content ever. Please remember to donate to our PayPal just to assist with the growth of the channel, and that we can venture into more towns and more attractions to give you good content. So we are signing out from Konoko Falls. Hope you love it. See you guys next time.